Hey guys, it's Samuels here, and today I will be showing you how to export audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. I know this is something that I have had trouble with before, and I hope I can help you out. So let's get straight into it. We're in Premiere Pro, and to export an audio track, we're going to first need to select our in to out points. So if your timeline's like me, where where the start of the audio you want is at the very beginning of your timeline, then we can just move on straight to the out point. So to set the out point, we want to go to the very end of the video and go to the very last frame. So see, there's a black frame, and you want to go one before where there's still something on there, and you want to press O on the keyboard. And see, that sets the in to out area. Now, if your audio does not start at the start of your timeline, like if, for example, it's like this, right? It just doesn't start at the start of your timeline. Then you want to go to the very first frame. So very first frame right here. I'm moving the finder with the arrow keys left and right. So like this, and we set our in point with I. Now we have to reset our out point as well, since we moved the clip. So with the arrow keys, boom, last frame, and we press O to set our out point. Now we go to export, and then we want to change our format here. We want to change the format to either MP3 if you want highly compressed and not as good quality audio, or what I recommend, waveform audio at the bottom of the list. You also want to select the range of the source from in to out, because there's also the entire source, work area, or custom. So you just want to do source into out. That's why we set those into out points, so we have that source. Now all the other audio settings are automatic, and they're gonna be correct if you need to change the sample rate, but you can change it here. But if you don't know what you're doing, then just don't do it. It's not necessary. This is enough. Let me just, we also want to select, of course, our export folder, wherever that is. For me, that's a render folder in the projects folder. And you also want to rename it to whatever you want to name it, like so. Then you just press export, and boom, it exports your audio. You can go check it in the render folder, so you can play back it here. And that is how you export audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you liked it, leave a like down below. It lets me know that this is useful for you guys. So that's it from me today. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.